Oof, there it is. That took a little bit of time. National Color BAPE STAs. Y'all know what it is. Let's get it. I don't think they ready. What's going on? It's Bapetown, back with another video. So last week, Fat L. Yo, what in the hell is this?
I'm done. Fuck off! How dare you!
This week, we did good, guys. Bet, let's jump right on into it. All three colorways. Let's start off with the least popular out of the three, but still clean. The white-blue colorway. Extra red shoelaces. Ooh, these bad boys is super clean.
Damn, boy, that's what I'm talking about.
And these are the least popular? Alright. France colorway, we got that all patent blue, white, and red. Got the reds on the toe cap, BAPE on the midsole, which, putting on some color there, BAPE hasn't done in a minute. Nice little callback. And on the embossed BAPE Star text logo. The blues on the eyelet row, heel counter, and tab. Oh, and can't forget the all blue outsole. And all the whites on the toe box, star logo, and both quarters. Now, even though officially they're the France colorway, there's so many different countries with the same colors. In my opinion, you can always mix it up. Now, are these a re-release? Kinda sorta. Color placement wise, super similar to the OGs. Of course, major differences, BAPE and Ape on the midsole, and if I remember right, the OGs, the tongue was white. Out of the three colorways, the most neutral. Personally, which I like. Next up, we got that green-red colorway. Extra pair of green laces. Bam, here they are.
Damn!
Officially the Italian colorway, we got that all patent green, white, and red. We got them greens on the toe cap, star logo, BAPE on the midsole, and the embossed BAPE Star logo on the tab. Reds on the eyelet row and heel counter. And the whites on the toe box, quarters, and heel tab. Oh, and the outsole, which, out of the three colorways, the only one without a colored outsole. Thinking about the OGs, this one had the most differences. Eyelet row, tongue, tab, and outsole. Now, even though these are the second most popular, personally, I put these at number 3. With my wardrobe, kinda tough to coordinate greens. Now to the most popular out of the three, the blue-yellow colorway. Extra pair of yellow shoelaces. Bam! The Brazil colorway. All patent blue, yellow, and green. Super loud, super clean. Personally, this one hits the nostalgic button the most. Got the yellows on the toe cap, heel counter, BAPE on the midsole, and on the embossed BAPE Star text logo. Greens on the toe box, tongue, star logo, and heel tab. And blues on the eyelet row, both quarters, and that outsole. Now, just like the France colorway in color placement, pretty spot on with the OGs. Small differences, tongue padding, white on the OGs, green on the new gen, and the BAPE coloring on the midsole. Yeah, these are real clean. Now, if you're a BAPE head, you know all patent leather, always part of the game. That shine, making colors pop, but I'm pretty sure y'all know, first few wears, they do be effing up the feet. But on these, the sock line is a fabric, so it does have a softness, so we good. Now, out of the three colorways, which one is my favorite? Yeah, that's a tough one. I would say personal fit-wise, France, Brazil, Italy. But personal nostalgia-wise, Brazil, France, Italy. At the end of the day, they all clean. How about you guys? Alright, I'm excited about this next item. The 2022 Autumn and Winter E MOOK. Now, I'm not going to go through it super detailed, but let's see what's coming out. Alright, so we start off with the highlights in the men's collection. We got a varsity jacket. Okay, I'm not too big on varsity jackets, but looks pretty cool. Now over here, BAPE hockey jersey. With the Mad Face logo. BAPE hasn't dropped a hockey jersey in a minute, so yeah, these are clean. Oh, You already know where my eyes are headed. The sneakers. Look like we got some Bapes and some Roses coming out. And it looks like it's an all patent leather. Oh, and the release date is July. Okay, so we'll be seeing these soon. And the Bapesters looks like an all majority yellow colorway. Release date September. Alright. Got some interviews. Read this later. Oh damn, look at that. Hey, the snake skins are coming back. Okay.
Them bitches got designated snake skin on them bitches.
Release date October. Alright, bet. We're gonna see how these are. What else we got? Got some containers coming. Y'all know I love my containers. That's kind of cool. Baby Milo chain. Kind of remind me of the Baby Milo KAWS chain. Yeah.
I can't look.
This is actually going to be my next video. Not one of my favorite collabs, let's just say that. We'll see in the next video. And the last page, a little description about the gift. And here it is, the Bape X table clock. Black dial face all around, no external stand, does stand on its own, but if you want to switch it up, you can hang it up from the back. So all of the hour marks and the hands supposed to glow in the dark. Let's see. Hey, there it goes. And a pretty good glow too. Kinda reminds me, for your glow in the dark Bape items, if it lost a little bit of glow, hit it with the sun, better yet, a blue light. It'll bring back the glow. And there it is. Of course they don't release everything in the E MOOK, just some stuff here and there. Well, there it is. The National Color BAPE STAs and the 2022 Autumn and Winter E MOOK. And like always, all available on the site. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!